Hi, Highwinder here. After assembling the ArmPi FPV, use 7.5 voltage 6 ampere power adapter to charge it. Then switch on the robotic arm. It takes about 2 minutes for the robotic arm to boot up. When the bouncer or nip make a sound, it means the robotic arm boots up successfully. Next, we can use the mobile app to control the robotic arm, and you need to install the ArmPi app on your phone first. Pay attention here, you need to enable the location access before connection. When into the interface, select Advanced Platform and find the ArmPi icon, then click ArmPi FPV. Move on, click the plus sign at the lower right corner and select Direct Connection. Then follow the instruction to connect the hotspot in your phone setting. Here we connect the Wi-Fi starting with HW. Then back to the app interface. When the robotic arm icon appears, it means that the connection is successful. Continue, I will show you how to control the robot on the app. This button is used to control the opening of the gripper. And this button is used to make its wrist rotate. This button is used to control the base rotation. At the right interface, you can control the robot's movement by directly dragging the robotic arm. Lastly, click back to Start icon to make the robotic arm return to the initial posture. Okay, that's all for the robot control, and you can use the app to make the robot perform more games.